What's up everyone? Something very important got delivered to me this morning. The Boya BY M1 external lavalier microphone, and today I'm going to do the unboxing for you. But I will be doing a review pretty soon, so if you're interested to watch that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that when I upload that video or any new video, you will get notified. So now let's get to it. In case some of you are wondering why did I choose this less than $20 lavalier microphone? Is it really that good? First of all, it's a budget less than $20 lavalier microphone. It fit my usage. Secondly, as you can notice by now, I got deep voice, so I need a microphone that got good treble. Bass is not too important for me as I can do that in post-processing, edit a bit to the recording. Third reason is this thing is 6 meter long. It is 6 meter long. It is very long. I can do a lot of things with a 6 meter long lavalier microphone. The last reason, if you haven't watched my video whereby I present to you the best voice recorder that you can use on the mobile app, I will link a card somewhere above here. Please go and watch it because this lavalier microphone will go hand in hand with that app, as I will show you guys in a review that I will be doing pretty soon. This is a non-pro version which I purchased for slightly less than 20 Singapore dollars. There is a pro version which you can get your hands on for slightly less than double the price of this. Don't you just love the sound of that? You put the box away. So there is a warranty card. An instruction booklet. Nice. It came with a pouch. So one of the key features of this Boya BY M1 is the 6 meter long cable. So that is one of the key features which attracted me. That is a windscreen. Let me put this on. This windscreen is supposed to be good for wind noise reduction. Look at how cute that looks. Nice. It came with this adapter. Okay. I might need to use this. If you have an audio interface which you can plug this lavalier microphone to, you can use this. So let me put this away. Okay, now I need to figure out how to put this thing. There you have it. So there you have it. With that, I've come to the end of the video, but stay tuned for the review as I'll be doing that pretty soon. Until next time, see ya!